for turning up in such large numbers. I can actually say that this is going to be a Shandar evening without sounding cheesy. So there's so many interesting collaborations on this film that make the viewing experience even more spectacular. So this is Dharma Productions' second foray with Phantom. We began our journey with, yes, well done Phantom. We began our journey with Hasi to Phasi, and it's been an incredible experience. All the expertise at Phantom, as you know, is not just a business head in Madhu, but all the three prolific filmmakers that contribute largely to the celluloid experience that you're about to experience. Fox has been an amazing support to us at Dharma Productions. In fact, from the very beginning, and Paulo Coelho will now endorse it, from My Name is Khan onwards, our journey with Fox has been an exceptionally satiating one. So we're always happy to partner with Fox. So here, the coming together of three very strong forces in Phantom, Dharma Productions and Fox promises to make a fun ride. More than anything else, Vikas Bell's last outing was not only one of the most special films of last year, but this time his new tirade with romance, love, and what I call quirky romance is, I think, going to be a magical experience. All right, thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for that. That was Shandar, and we'd like to start the proceedings. And may I please invite on stage the CEO of Foxstar, Vijay Singh, who's partnered with us on Shandar. And of course, the man of the moment, the director himself, the captain of this illustrious ship, none other than Vikas Bell. All right, she's back after last summer and she's here to dazzle you with her Shandar elements, Alia Bhatt. In his first romance in nearly 8 years, since you met him in Jab We Met, you're going to see him in a romantic avatar. The award-winning actor of all of the award shows last year, Shahid Kapoor. And me. We're going to sit, and we're of course very happy to take questions from the house, hopefully about Shandar. All right, yeah, questions from the house, please.
Hi, Vikas. Center. Hi. The trailer looks amazing. जहाँ तक बात करें, आप जाने जाते हैं छोटे बजट की फिल्मों को डायरेक्ट करते हुए, लेकिन हम देख सकते हैं शानदार की सेट में काफ़ी लैविश सेट बनाया गया है. तो व्हाट वाज इट ऑल अबाउट?
करण जौहर. यार जितना पैसा मिलता है उतना खर्च कर देते हैं. पिछली बारी कम मिले थे तो कम बजट की बनाई थी. इस बारी थोड़े ज़्यादा मिले, थोड़ी बड़ी बनाई. But that's what the film was about. It is about enjoying the scale, the music, the dance, the performance, the love story at that scale. So that's what the film is about. Hopefully it's a lot of fun along with the money spent. And yeah. So
मेरा सवाल है आलिया भट्ट से कि नज़र में इस फिल्म में सबसे शानदार सीन कौन सा?
सॉरी?
इस शानदार फिल्म में सबसे शानदार क्या है आपकी नज़र में?
ओह, शानदार फिल्म में सबसे शानदार क्या है मेरी नज़र में? शानदार फिल्म ही शानदार है ना, तो सबसे शानदार फिल्म है.
अच्छा, आप पोस्टर में भी दिखाया मूंछें लगा रखा, प्लस अभी ट्रेलर में भी दिखाया आप पेंसिल से मूंछ बना. हाँ,
कभी कभी हो जाता है.
ये एक्चुअली 2 हीरो फिल्म है. उसमें पहले हीरो आलिया भट्ट हैं, दूसरा हीरो मैं हूँ.
आलिया, आपसे एक सवाल है
जी.
महेश जी से हमने पूछा था कि आलिया विशेष फिल्म में कब दिखेंगी, तो उन्होंने कहा कि वो हम बहुत छोटी बजट की फिल्म बनाते हैं और आलिया इज अ बिग स्टार, तो कभी आप विशेष फिल्म में भी दिखेंगी?
वो सब बहाने हैं. आई थिंक वो बना रहे ऐसे. ही वांट्स टू टेक मी, ही विल टेक मी, पर अगर होगा तो ढंग से होगा. हरी में ऐसे आई डोंट वांट टू डू अ रैंडम फिल्म जस्ट लाइक दैट. जब होगा तो इट विल बी ग्रैंड.
और ये बहुत विशेष फिल्म है.
That how is this role different from the other roles you've done?
See, now if I go to compare it to each and every film, it's gonna take a long time. But let's just say Alia and Alia in Shandar, there's a very thin line that's joining them together, as they both are mad, but they both are a lot of fun. But this character kind of made me explore this fantasy, quirky, little offside, which I've always wanted to do, which I always only do alone in my room. So for the first time, I could do that, played as a character in front of so many people on set, and it was really nice. I became the character. Started walking also like her, started saying jokes also like her. And one thing I would like to say to everybody over here, Alia in Shandar is very, very intelligent. Please don't mess with her. She gets all the facts right. So don't ask her any questions. Don't ask me any questions, but don't ask her any questions also.
विकास जी, आपने जो क्वीन बनाई थी उसमें भी कॉमेडी थी, हर तरह का मसाला था, लेकिन फिर भी फिल्म में सोल था. इस फिल्म में सिर्फ कॉमेडी है या फिर इसमें भी सोल है, आत्मा है?
सोल तो मिलने पे मिलता है, पर आई थिंक there is a story and there's a lot of fun. So I think you should again find both. But I think even when I went out to make Queen, तो मैं ये सोच के नहीं बना था कि एक सोलफुल फिल्म बनाते हैं, एक मैसेज देते हैं. वो तब भी हम एक फिल्म बनाने गए थे कि एक लड़की है, ऐसी लड़की अगर ट्रैवल करेगी तो उसको कितना, what will she go through, and let's have fun with it. So here also it's a love story where we've just said, okay, it's a love story and we've gone and had fun with it. And hopefully there is something larger to say with beyond that fun. But both times I think we've gone to have fun and hopefully some bigger meaning comes out of it.
Shahid, congratulations for the marriage.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
आपकी शादी में सबसे शानदार गिफ्ट क्या मिला?
One second, sir. I would like to say something. शाहिद की शानदार शादी हो गई. अभी शादी, the only शादी we'll talk about is the one that's happening in my film Shandar. Please. For sometimes no शानदार शादी for Shahid. Okay?
Just wanted to know शानदार गिफ्ट क्या मिला था?
आलिया
ये मेरे दोनों तरफ ये लोग तैनात हैं, तो आप सवाल.
शानदार गिफ्ट्स for Shahid. No other gift, okay?
आलिया को पैक करके भेजा गया था शाहिद की शादी पे.
Hi Shahid, hi, this side, on your right. I think you have, apart from the fantastic chemistry that you're sharing with Alia in the promo, you're also having a wonderful chemistry with your father, Mr. Pankaj Kapoor. I think that is definitely looking like a highlight. So could you please tell us something about that?
यार सबसे पहले तो जब मैंने डैड के साथ पहला शॉट दिया तो 3-4 टेक हुए और मैं विकास के पास सिर्फ आके ये कहता रहा कि विकास मैं ओवर एक्टिंग कर रहा हूँ, और विकास मुझसे कहता रहा शायद तू सडनली इतना ओवर एक्टिंग क्यों कर रहा है. एंड आई फेल्ट लाइक यू नो आई नीड टू डू अ लॉट टू बी एबल टू जस्ट फॉर पीपल टू जस्ट गो फ्रॉम लेफ्ट ऑफ कैमरा वेयर डैड वाज टू राइट ऑफ कैमरा वेयर आई एम. सो फॉर मी इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल मोमेंट दैट मुझे अपने डैड के साथ काम करने का मौका मिला. एंड आई लाइक टू थैंक विकास फॉर दैट, फॉर गिविंग मी दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी. आई हैव बीन डायरेक्टेड बाय हिम बट आई हैव नेवर डन stood in the same frame as him. तो मैं शुरुआत में बहुत नर्वस था, but I think 2-3 दिन बाद हम लोगों की जो केमिस्ट्री है, एक्चुअली अगर आप देखें तो वो आलिया के फादर प्ले कर रहे हैं और मेरी और उनकी बिल्कुल जमती नहीं है फिल्म के अंदर. तो हम एक दूसरे को हमेशा we are both getting at each other. तो 1-2 दिन के बाद वो सेट हो गया. जैसे आप देखें हम लोग, आई थिंक आज तक कभी किसी फिल्म के अंदर ऐसा कोई सीन नहीं आया होगा जहाँ पे लड़की के फादर और हीरो जो है वो स्काई डाइविंग करते हुए लड़ रहे हैं लड़की के बारे में. तो इस तरह के सीन से लॉट ऑफ रियली फन स्टफ टू डू विद डैड. And I think after some time we kind of went in that space where we were going for it with each other, and it was a lot of fun. And I actually that's one of the most special things about Shandar for me, that I got to work with my father, and I also got to work with my sister Sana, who's debuting in this film. That was fantastic.
So how was it working with them? And there are reports that you are doing another film with Phantom, which will be a thriller directed by Vikramaditya Motwani. So how true is that?
But पहला सवाल का point क्या था वो कि कैसा लगा इनके साथ काम करके? And they are mad. ये विकास जो यहाँ बैठा हुआ है हमारे साथ, ये इतना शरीफ जो लगता है ये बिल्कुल इतना शरीफ नहीं है. आई हैव नेवर सीन एनीबडी पार्टी एज मच एज दिस मैन पार्टीज. देयर आर अ बंच ऑफ 4 मैड पीपल. उनमें से कुछ लोग मेरे बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं, जैसे मेरे सामने बैठे हैं मधु मंटेना, जो मेरे बहुत ही करीबी दोस्त हैं, और इन्होंने मुझे लाइफ में थोड़ा सेटल किया. मैं मेरी फिल्मों की चॉइसेस हमेशा थोड़ी उल्टी सीधी सी होती थी, और पिछले कुछ सालों में इनके साथ मेरी रिलेशनशिप ऐसी हुई है कि ये मुझे एडवाइस करते हैं और खड़े होकर काफ़ी घंटों तक ऐसे ऐसे उंगली दिखा के लेक्चर करते हैं. विकास इज समबडी जिनका काम मुझे, एक्चुअली विकास ने मुझे क्वीन रिलीज होने से 6 महीने पहले दिखाई थी, और उस वक्त जब फिल्म बनी थी तो रिलीज नहीं हो रही थी बिकॉज हीरोइन ओरिएंटेड सब्जेक्ट था, डेट नहीं मिल रही थी, एंड ही वाज गोइंग थ्रू अ लॉट ऑफ इश्यूज. और तब से लेके अब तक आई हैव सीन हिज जर्नी एंड द वे पीपल हैव लव्ड हिम. I really don't think कोई ऐसी फिल्म है पिछले साल, and I had a great film last year, Heather, but I don't think there's any film last year जिसको इतना प्यार मिला है जितना इनकी फिल्म को मिला है. And the most beautiful thing about him is कि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वो बिल्कुल बदले नहीं है. He's still exactly the same. जो नर्वसनेस उनकी थी जब क्वीन रिलीज हो रही थी और जो नर्वसनेस उनकी है, जैसे अभी हम लोग यहाँ बैठे हुए थे तो मुझसे पूछ रहे थे, आर ट्रेलर्स लुकिंग गुड ऑन द बिग स्क्रीन ऑल्सो ना? सो ही इज वेरी 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 सिंसियर, very in love with his work. The two other people, Anurag Kashyap and Vikramaditya Motwani, are phenomenal filmmakers and the entire country knows about them. I have the good fortune of spending a lot of time with them. And the second film that I'm doing with Falcom is a film called Urta Punjab, which they're producing, which again me and Alia are doing together, which is a fantastic script. So yes, I've been fortunate to work with these very, very talented people, and I hope that I can match their expectations and give them what they want, because they're working with the best in the industry right now.
No, there are reports that you are doing a film directed by Vikram.
मैंने जवाब नहीं दिया, उसके पीछे कोई रीजन नहीं होगा. मैंने प्यार से इग्नोर किया तो फिर आ रहा है.
Actually, to add to what Shahid is saying, Shandar happened because of Shahid. Because I remember one day we were sitting in Madhu's house and I was telling Shahid, यार ऐसे कोई पिक्चर बनाते हैं इसमें थोड़ा नाच गाना हो और शादी हो और पिक्चर का नाम हो शानदार.
Destination wedding हो.
हाँ, destination हो और पिक्चर का नाम हो शानदार. After that, everything that has happened, he's made it happen. And I wasn't responsible.
Basically, ये सब blame मेरे ऊपर डाल रहे हैं कि अगर कुछ भी wrong हुआ तो शायद ही गलती, और अगर right बन गई तो मैंने तो क्वीन बनाई थी.
सवाल ये है कि एक दूसरे के बारे में जरा बताएं कि आलिया कुछ शानदार बातें शाहिद के लिए, एंड शाहिद आलिया की कुछ ऐसी शानदार बातें जो आप.
जी, सबसे पहले मैं आलिया के बारे में कि आप 4 फैंटम्स को जानते हैं, मैं एक फैंटम को जानता हूँ. ये जितनी बार फेंट होती है, मैंने लाइफ में आज तक कभी किसी को इतना फेंट होते हुए नहीं देखा. और ये नहीं आप और ये जैसे फेंट होती है, मैंने आज तक कभी किसी को वैसे फेंट होते हुए नहीं देखा. ऐसे सीधी खड़ी हुई होती है और सडनली ढाम ये आउट हो जाती हैं.
ऐसे खड़ी होती है नीचे गायब.
ये इस फिल्म की खूबसूरती ये है कि ये एक समर फिल्म है. तो जैसा आप देखें, यू नो सनलाइट है, यू नो एवरीथिंग इज ब्यूटीफुल एंड इट लुक्स सो नाइस. इट वाजंट. It was very cold when we shot this film. और ये हमें पोलैंड ले गए जहां पे हम ऐसा समर के कपड़े पहने हुए हैं और वहां पे -4 डिग्रीज था. तो अगर आप देखें तो काफी शॉट्स में मुंह से धुआं निकल रहा है. वो सिगरेट का धुआं नहीं है, वो एक्चुअल धुआं है. और हम लोग सिर्फ शर्ट में पैंट में खड़े हैं, while विकास जो है वो 3-4 लेयर कपड़े पहन के आराम से साइड पे खड़े होते. तो बोलते व्हाट्स द प्रॉब्लम, इट्स सो नाइस, लेट्स शूट. तो उनमें से एक दिनों पे मैं ऐसे, वो सीडी का एक शॉट है इस प्रोमो के अंदर, मैं चल के नीचे आ रहा था और ये आलिया ऐसे खड़ी हुई थी और इनको विकास बता रहे थे, आलिया अब इस शॉट में ऐसे करना है, और ये ऐसे हाँ 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 ढाम. तो ये है फेंटम, ये है फैंटम.
आलिया,
That's barely शानदार, but I'm phantom. But anyway, I'll take it. शानदार बात है शाहिद के लिए. I don't know. I think that for me it was honestly a very big deal because I watched Shahid in Ishq Vish from his first film, and I've always been a very very big adorer, I would say, of Shahid's work. He's very cute with the dimples, good dancer, happy vibe. So I was very excited. And then both of us are Pisceans, and I've never ever been fond of a Piscean in general. But the first Piscean I'm actually fond of.
Yeah, actually.
Fellow fish, we call each other. So it was a really nice experience because honestly I got to learn a lot. Whether it was dancing, he would say,
"What you have learned from me?" You used to keep lecturing me through the entire film. She used to lecture me through the entire film.
When I lectured you?
Alia, the only people I used to ask if my shot is okay is Vikas Sir and Alia Bhatt.
Excuse me, Shahid used to come, babe, okay na, what do you think? What is it? I'm not going to find out. Asking, then I'll say one bad point,
अरे यार ये सब न्यू एज फिल्म मेकर, न्यू एज हीरोइन, तो मुझे लगा मैं कहीं ओल्ड एज नहीं लग जाऊं, तो मैं इनसे चेक करते रहता था यार कि is this cool acting, is this cool, is this
relevant? I assure you, Shahid, you're very new age.
करण कह रहे हैं don't say anything about my Alia. I am under lot of pressure. वैसे करण के पास जब भी कोई भी पोस्टर अप्रूव होने जाता है, कुछ भी होता है, तो अगर लेफ्ट पे आलिया है तो लेफ्ट में देखते हैं, वेरी नाइस, ओके करण, आर यू इवन लुकिंग टुवर्ड्स द राइट? मैं भी हूँ इस पोस्टर के अंदर, या फाइन, आलिया इज लुकिंग सो लवली. तो अगर कुछ भी ऐसा ऑड हो तो विकास मुझे संभाल लेना.
शायद डैड भी थे सेट पे, साथ में कई सारे शॉट्स भी होंगे. कोई पर्टिकुलर शॉट जिसमें कुछ सीखने को मिला हो या डैड ने कभी डांट दिया हो कुछ ऐसा कि नहीं तुम ऐसे करो टाइप्स?
एक चीज है, I would say. For me,
हाँ आप बोलो, better है.
Whatever. अरे but I have one really good thought. Everybody can follow it. People who are suffering with a cold. उन्होंने ना मुझे क्या दिया था मुंह में? Long. That really saved me from the cold. एक बार I was going to faint. I didn't faint because he gave me long. Pankaj sir. So that's one thing.
Really, Alia, I have to butt in. They were asking you about an acting tip. You have just given us some herbal tip that Pankaj Kapoor, who's a legendary actor of this country, you have just said that he
because she's on a major detox script right now. She's majorly on this detox. Have you not
understood this question? Now I
understood it. I just thought something different I'll say and then Shahid can speak about it.
Pankaj Kapoor, he told me to put elaichi in my mouth. जो भी हो, इलायची हो, लौंग हो।
क्या
सॉरी,
आप कुछ टेक्निकल बताएंगे जो पंकज जी ने आपको सिखाया?
The long and short of it. जी आलिया जो थी उनका डैड के साथ एक अनोखा रिश्ता बन चुका था, और जैसे काफी लोग जानते हैं मेरे डैड जो हैं वो काफी मेथड एक्टर टाइप के एक्टर हैं। वो अपने रोल में इतना घुस जाते हैं कि शॉट जब कट होता है तो भी वो रोल में ही रहते हैं। तो मुझसे ज्यादा बात नहीं करते थे, मुझे दूर से ही ऐसा करते थे। और आलिया और डैड हमेशा साथ में बैठ के पता नहीं लंबी चौड़ी बातें, साथ में पकौड़े खा रहे हैं, सैंडविचेस खा रहे हैं, कुछ ना कुछ इनका साथ में चलता रहता था। अगर आलिया मेरे साथ 2 मिनट बात कर लेती थी तो डैड काफी जेलस हो जाते थे। और ये उनका कैरेक्टर है फिल्म के अंदर कि ही इज अ फादर हु कांट एक्सेप्ट एनी गाय, ही थिंक्स नो गाय कैन बी गुड इनफ फॉर हिज डॉटर। और वो एक्चुअली उस रिलेशनशिप फॉर्मेट में चले गए थे। एक चीज मुझे जरूर याद है, हम लोगों ने इस फिल्म के अंदर एक सीक्वेंस किया है जो बंजी जंपिंग, मैं वो नहीं बोल रहा हूँ हम लोगों ने इस फिल्म के अंदर एक बंजी जंपिंग सीक्वेंस किया है, एंड इट वाज एक्चुअली हम लोग टू सम एक्सटेंट इट्स शॉट लाइव एंड टू सम एक्सटेंट बिकॉज उसमें डायलॉग्स हैं जैसा मैंने कहा, तो उसके लिए वी हैड टू बी ऑन अ हार्नेस एंड ऑल दैट। तो हम लोग शूट कर रहे थे एंड इट वाज वेरी टायरिंग बिकॉज वी वर जस्ट हैंगिंग देयर फॉर मेनी आवर्स एंड द होल डे वी वर शूटिंग, और काफी गर्मी थी उस दिन, व्हिच वाज प्रोबब्ली द ओनली डे जब गर्मी थी। एंड मैं काफी मुझे बहुत टाइट लग रहा था, तो कुछ देर के बाद मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था यार कि आई वांट टू गेट आउट ऑफ दिस, एंड माय डैड इज 61, लेकिन वो हार्नेस से नहीं उतरे, मैं 2 बार उतरा। So that's something amazing that I saw of him. और उनके लिए he's got spondylosis and so it's difficult for him, but he never once said anything, and that to me was absolutely amazing. Last दिन जो था इस फिल्म का वो काफी इंटरेस्टिंग दिन था। उस दिन मैंने एक लाइव टेनिस मैच देखा विकास बहल और मेरे फादर के बीच में। क्योंकि लास्ट दिन था, विकास बहल सोए नहीं थे, वो सुबह 6 बजे तक पार्टी कर रहे थे कि फाइनली दिस फिल्म इज ओवर और मेरी जिंदगी मुझे वापस मिल जाएगी। और डैड जो थे, बिकॉज हम एक डॉर्मेट्री में रह रहे थे जहां पे सब एक ही फ्लोर के ऊपर रह रहे थे सब लोग, वो रात भर सोए नहीं थे बिकॉज फैंटम के लोग जो है वो एक साइड से दूसरी साइड से हा यही हो रहा था सुबह 6 बजे तक। तो वो बहुत इरिटेटेड पूरी रात सोए नहीं आए थे। और उस दिन एक डिस्कशन हुआ, फिल्म के लास्ट दिन डिस्कशन हुआ, और डिस्कशन का सब्जेक्ट था एक्चुअली व्हाट इज शानदार, what is this film, what is the meaning of this film and what is the soul of this film। और ये फिल्म का लास्ट डे था, तो that was a very interesting experience जहाँ इस तरफ डैड खड़े हुए थे और इस तरफ विकास खड़े हुए थे, और दोनों के बीच में 15-20 मिनट की एक डिस्कशन हुई जो फिल्म की शुरुआत में होनी चाहिए थी, बट वो फिल्म के लास्ट दिन पे हुई। So, ऐसा कुछ एक्सपीरियंस।
क्वीन के बाद एक जिम्मेदारी बढ़ गई है बतौर निर्देशक, अगर हम आपको देखें, और इस फिल्म को लेकर और जो आपका पूरा सफर रहा क्वीन से लेकर और शानदार तक का, क्या फर्क पाते हैं? एक तरह से न्यू एज फिल्म मेकिंग की तो बात हो ही रही है, अपने आप में क्या फर्क पाते हैं? किस तरह का टेक बदला है आपको सिनेमा को लेकर?
यार मुझे तो न्यू और ओल्ड का फर्क पता नहीं होगा, कि मेरे तो यही है जो फिल्म मेकिंग है। सो बट आई थिंक दिस इज बाय टाइम टू गेट irresponsible and have more fun, because whatever someone has to achieve has happened last year. So a good film has happened, it's got a lot of acclaim. So it's now time to go and have fun. So I actually feel totally burden free. I feel now's the time to just go and have fun, make lots of films, keep writing new ideas and enjoy yourself, because something which I probably wanted to achieve once in my life has already been done. So now I'm totally burden free and totally easy at my work.
आलिया जी, बहुत पहले एक फिल्म आई थी पूजा भट्ट जी की, दिल है कि मानता नहीं
जी,
उसमें भी उनके डैडी अगेंस्ट थे अपनी बेटी की शादी के, उसमें भी ऐसे ही है। तो ये कितनी इंस्पायर है उस फिल्म से?
ये आप विकास से पूछिए ना। आई डोंट थिंक इंस्पायर्ड है,
but I love that film.
बहुत
so if
अच्छी
actually it is like that film, that'll be really fabulous. but actually there's no connection between those two.
No connection.
But now that you mention it, that was a really good.
But see, the father, एक तो बात है, father daughter angle is in everybody's life. Even my father will always be jealous of anybody in my life. Let's not talk about who, but let's say anybody. So that's something that we've caught on to, and I feel hopefully will connect with the audience really well, because obviously mother-daughter, mother-son relationship is something, but a father-daughter relationship can get really, really, really cute, and I think that's what we've tried to achieve in this film.
और शाहिद जी, आपकी शादी हुई है?
मैंने क्या बोला?
शादी का क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछ रही हूँ। तो बोलते हैं कि शादी का लड्डू जो खाता है वो भी पछताता है, और जो नहीं खाता है वो भी पछताता है। तो आपके अगल बगल में 2 हैं जिन्होंने नहीं
खाए हैं लड्डू। शादी के
आपने शादी की अभी अभी?
आपके हस्बैंड यहाँ हैं? नहीं है ना, इसलिए पूछ रही है सवाल। मैं इतने सारे लोगों के बारे में सिर्फ बोलता हूँ इट्स ग्रेट।
Karan, what is quirky romance for you? Elaborate.
Litika, what is quirky romance for you? You want me to elaborate?
According to you, describe.
I have, ma'am, FIRs lodged when I elaborated. So, do you really want me to be sitting under litigation or under legality during the release of this film? I don't think so. In fact, I have a release before that. I am not telling you what my idea of quirky romance is. I'm really sorry.
From what we've heard, we know that you guys play insomniacs in this film.
Yes, that's true, yeah.
Perhaps.
Okay. Is there any recent moment that...
I didn't know whether we should say.
Was that a spoiler?
Yeah. We just figured out that we are. Then what's the
Do you
question?
remember any recent moment where you had to spend sleepless night for some particular event that might have happened in your life? Not hinting at it.
What kind of events are you talking about, brother?
Yeah, what kind of events are you talking about?
Quirky events?
Sleepless night.
Together or apart?
Together would be great. I don't
Oh, what the?
You and Alia had a sleepless night when?
What are you talking about, sir?
I'm talking about any independent
Independent.
event separate of each other.
Specify.
You want us to talk about reasons why we don't sleep? Which are quirky? Separately?
But that's there are some reasons why people don't sleep that are quirky are now banned.
You know, Bombay Velvet hasn't done very well, which was Fox's last film. How much of it?
Sleepless nights.
How much is the success of Shandar important to Fox as a studio?
We are here for the long term, right? So that's the starting point. And I think the important thing is that we've started a very special relationship with Karan and Dharma. As you know, the first film actually goes out this week, which is Brothers. And hugely excited. I don't think I need to say anything about Shandar. I think you can all see how excited everybody is after seeing the trailer. So, very special film for us, and we're really looking forward to it.
Thank you.
Another Shandar film, which is Sholay, is completing 40 years on the 15th of August. What are your memories and probably your iconic dialogues which you remember from the film?
Well, my one memory which is attached to Shandar and raises questions about how Sholay was done was how we shot the horse riding sequence in Shandar. We were not on horses. I have to tell them.
I was on a horse.
No, you were not. You liar. We sat on a horse for exactly 3 seconds in the shot where we were both together with
and I finished taking it in that much time. This doesn't
with exactly 3 people holding the reins because they were too scared that it was too dangerous to leave me and Alia on a horse. However, the rest of the sequence was very interestingly done, and I must tell everybody about this because it's something which I also discovered, where they have this huge trailer truck, and then they have this huge little thing behind it, like this thing with tires and stuff, and then they have poles attached to that, and then they have bungee cables, and on those bungee cables they put drums. And so actually you're sitting on 2 drums which are attached on bungee cables, and the way you ride the horse is by making yourself go up and down like this. So the entire sequence that we shot was with us actually doing this throughout and acting like we're on a horse. So please a big round of applause. We made it look pretty real, yeah? So I wonder how they actually shot all the horse riding sequences in Sholay.
In Sholay also they were all on drums.
They were all on drums?
Yeah, all of them.
I thought you said drugs.
No. ये cut out कर दो.
Karan, any memories for you of Sholay?
I mean, clearly, Shahid and Alia weren't born when we all saw Sholay. I remember I saw Sholay in its 6th year, sixth year of its running in Minerva, which was in brackets called the Pride of Maharashtra. I went and saw it, and I saw it at 3 p.m. and then I cried so much because I wanted to see it again at 6 p.m. for me, my take back of Sholay was, of course, Hema Malini's dance on Jab Tak Hai Jaan. I thought I wanted
You'd like to do that for us.
I know, will not do that now. But I did attempt to dance on glass till my mother nearly slapped me when I got back home. But everything about, I've seen Sholay about 100 times, as has everybody living in this country. It truly, whenever I speak about Sholay anywhere internationally, also when I've spoken about Indian cinema, I always say we should not be called Bollywood. We should be called Sholay. Because that's what defines us as a film fraternity. Pre-Sholay, post-Sholay. That's who we are. It's truly a textbook film.
बहुत सी फिल्में बन रही हैं अलग-अलग डायरेक्टर्स के साथ,
जी।
पर यूजुअली फिल्म हिट होती हैं।
जी।
क्या इसका कारण ये है कि आप खुद एक बहुत शानदार डायरेक्टर हैं और जो फिल्म्स आप सेलेक्ट करते हैं वो काफ़ी...
इसका यही कारण है कि मैं बिल्कुल इंटरफेयर नहीं करता किसी के क्रिएटिविटी में। जब वो काम करते हैं तो मैं ग्रीन लाइट करता हूँ सब्जेक्ट और फिर उनसे दूर रह जाता हूँ। Because I think every filmmaker should have their own, his or her own individual voice. That's what we believe at Dharma, is to really leave it to their filmmaker's vision and not interfere. I've never been, I've been on one day on set on Shandar.
Where he was actually acting in the film.
I was acting in the movie. Half a day on some other film. I don't ever go on set. मैं कभी after I say okay to the film, I stay out of the filmmaker's vision. यही होता है कि instinct और एक inherent, I would say, impulse होती है आपकी जब आप डायरेक्टर या निर्देशक को चुनते हो, और वो मुझ में thankfully inherently है। मैं बस अपनी गट पे जाता हूँ और उसके बाद छोड़ देता हूँ, और अगर अच्छी पिक्चर बन गई तो हम गर्व से कहते हैं कि अच्छी बनी, नहीं भी बनी तो इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि हम रिग्रेट करते हैं, क्योंकि गलतियाँ तो सबसे हो जाती हैं।
This is for Alia and Mr. Karan, you as well. Alia, you've gone from commercial movies and you've experimented with Highway. Now there's Udta Punjab coming up. So your choice of films, is it a conscious choice? You've also done humor. You did the AIB video. So how conscious is this journey, and how much of a role is Karan Johar playing in this journey?
Well, Karan Johar is the one who started this journey. So let's just say a very, very important role, and that will always be in my life. For me, of course, yes, I would like to do as many different roles, and I feel variety is the spice of life at the end of the day. I don't want to do the same kind of role, same kind of character again and again. But I have been fortunate, I would say, to get the opportunity to choose and, choose so many different characters and get such a vast range of characters and, roles to play. So in that sense, it is a conscious decision, but I also have been very lucky. It's not like I've gotten the same kind of role and I've just rejected every kind. The different roles that I've gotten, I've taken up and I've been happy.
No, but I'd like to add to that this film Udta Punjab, which you mentioned, we were trying to make it for a year and nobody wanted to do it because it's a dark film and it's pretty out there in its content. And I kind of told Alia that I thought there was a role which in my understanding was one of the finest roles I've ever heard for a female actor. And within 2 days, she read the script. She obviously called me crying because she was so moved by the film. And within 2 days, she said that she wants to do the film. And I think that's very, very brave on her part. And there are very few female actors who like to step out of their skin and not worry about looking good and actually want to play characters. So I was very proud of her that day when she said yes to the film. So she has been making some great choices.
Actually, to add to that, for almost a month, I used to keep bringing up that character with Alia, but never have the guts to give her the script to read, because I used to keep thinking, I don't have the heart to give her this script and this character to read. And I would bring it up during lunch and then take it back. Bring it up, take it back. And finally, she read it.
At dinner, I made her reid it because you never went beyond lunch.
So let's just say, Shahid has made Shandar happen for me, and he's made Udta Punjab happen for me. So Shahid, you're like an angel.
Alia?
Yeah.
Alia, towards your left. Alia, here.
Hello.
Alia, you look stunning in the bikini on screen.
You liked it?
Oh, yeah.
कौन है ये? कौन बोला?
Everyone loved it. The roar in
वो
the
पीछे कैमरामैन के पीछे छुप के डायलॉग बोल रहा है. कौन है यार? वे
सर.
Thank you. I worked very hard.
सर नजर कमजोर हो रही है.
आपके पीछे कैमरा है ना, मैं उस पर फोकस कर रहा था.
Who styled you and how difficult was it attaining the bikini body, and was it easy or difficult shooting?
Well, actually, the costume designer of the film, Archana Valawalkar, who did mine and Shahid's costume, she was the one who styled me. And actually, us dauran, me and Shahid both were training very, very hard. I was training, of course, for my bikini. Shahid just likes training hard in general, so he was training. So we would go to this gym and train every day, and we were both on this particular diet, and it was all very focused. And actually, my bikini shot was not supposed to be so elaborate. It was just supposed to be me in a bikini. But I worked so hard. Vikas said, "Acha, abhi to shot lena padega." ले लेते proper bikini shot. It was not supposed to be such an elaborate shot, but because I worked hard, I pushed myself into it. But I'm so happy you liked it.
I must also tell you, it was probably the coldest day,
yeah.
and Shahid also had to run into the water. So whenever you'd roll the camera, people would remove their clothes for precisely 10 seconds at that time and wear the clothes on. So there's one time when we're tracking back. So we're tracking back and I'm behind the camera and I'll say, so as we pull back, we realized that Alia knew that she has only 10 seconds to remove the clothes and put them back, that she was wearing her shirt, pants still here. So as we pulled back, she's standing in a bikini, but actually her pants are still here. She's standing there, so is that cut?
It was too cold, but I'm so glad you liked it.
शाहिद, मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि करीना को कंपेयर किया जाता है आलिया से और उनके कामों से। खुद करण ने भी कहा है कि उनकी दो फेवरेट्स हैं आलिया और करीना, तो आपने दोनों के साथ काम किया है, तो क्या करीना की क्वालिटी आप में आपको दिखती है आलिया में? क्या सिमिलैरिटीज है, क्या क्वालिटीज?
ये कनेक्शन कहाँ निकली, गाड़ी कहाँ से और पहुंची कहाँ? दाद देनी पड़ेगी आपके सवाल की। जी वो कह रहे सॉरी मैंने माइक दे दिया, कोई बात नहीं। आई थिंक फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये आलिया के लिए बहुत बड़ा कॉम्प्लीमेंट है कि उनको करीना से कंपेयर किया जाता है, बिकॉज करीना बहुत ही एस्टैब्लिश एक्टर है, उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है। आई डोंट थिंक मुझे दोनों में कोई सिमिलैरिटी दिखती है, बिकॉज आई थिंक आलिया इज़ अ वेरी ओरिजिनल एक्टर एंड सो इज़ करीना। मैंने जब भी मेट की थी करीना के साथ कई साल पहले, जो करण ने मेंशन की, और अब मैं शानदार कर रहा हूँ आलिया के साथ, मुझे ये एक ही कॉमन चीज़ दिखती है कि मैं लव स्टोरी कर रहा हूँ उनके साथ। पर अदर देन दैट आई थिंक बोथ ऑफ देम आर फिनोमिनल एक्टर्स। आई थिंक आलिया हैज़ हर ओन जर्नी, शी इज़ मेकिंग सम वेरी ब्रेव डिसीजंस। मैंने शायद पिछले 15-20 सालों में किसी एक्ट्रेस को इतने ब्रेव डिसीजंस लेते हुए नहीं देखा है, बट बोथ ऑफ देम आर फैंटास्टिक इन देयर ओन वे।
No, the Vikramaditya Motwani film, which you are signing up. So
if you know that I'm signing up, then what's your question?
No, my question is that you're replacing Saif in that film. Is it true? I just want to know that. Which also stars Kareena.
Arey, first let me confirm whether I'm doing the film or not, na? Then ask the second question.
The reports are that you are doing the film. So.
Good report.
Well, Karan,
is it true? Is it true that?
Let me confirm the film, then I'll answer this question. You can ask me again.
Hashtag yes. Shandar, that's all we're talking.
Okay, Karan,
last
over here,
question, yes.
left.
Yes.
Extreme left.
Yes.
Your mic's not working. You have to shout.
Chilla.
He takes more time to make his hair than I do. So you can't leave him out of this question.
Who else in the industry do you admire their personality like as Shandar as yours? Like,
well, I don't think we are calling ourselves Shandar personalities. We are calling ourselves personalities attached to the film Shandar. But I mean, if you have to really know who is the most Shandar personality, there is no doubt that it's only Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. Most Shandar personality.
And you, Shahid and Alia, what do you think about it?
You have
I think Alia is a Shandar personality.
Oh, I think you're so Shandar. You're so Shandar.
And Vikas, you have a Shandar personality. No, we won't say that.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. So thank you.
All
so
right,
much.
thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you for being here. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.